Hello children, so welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So today from mathematics subject sets topic we are going to learn. So let's observe some examples here children. So in first example they have given Euclid, Pythagoras, Gauss, Leibniz, Aryabhatta, Bhaskar. If you observe the names of all these in first example, so Euclid, Pythagoras, Gauss, Leibniz, Aryabhatta, Bhaskar, these all names belongs to mathematicians. So the first example, it's a collection of mathematicians. So okay, next in second example they have given AEIOU. AEIOU means ovals in the English alphabets. Remaining letters B, C, D, F, these are all called consonants. Altogether we have 26 alphabets. Out of 26 alphabets, these 5 are considered as vowels, remaining are considered as consonants. Okay. Next, happy, sad, angry, anxious, joyful, confused. These are all feelings of human beings or feelings of living beings. Collection of feelings. Third example. Fourth example, cricket, football, kho-kho, kabaddi, basketball, different types of games. Different types of games are sports. Collection of games. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, it's a collection of odd numbers. Means we can have different types of collections here, like collection of mathematicians, collection of ovals, collection of feelings, collection of games, collection of odd numbers. Like that, we can have different kinds of collections which we might have observed in our real life situations. So here, in normal life, as we are getting these types of collections, in mathematics also, we will come across collections in mathematics too. So for example, natural numbers, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, collection of counting numbers starting from 1 will be considered as a natural numbers. Or collection of numbers starting from 0 is considered as whole numbers. Or if we write this plane figures names, rectangle, rhombus, square, trapezium, parallelogram, and so on. Like this, if we write in flower brackets, rectangle, rhombus, square, trapezium, parallelogram, what does it denotes? It denotes quadrilaterals, collection of quadrilaterals in a plane. So just by saying the word natural numbers, we can write this. Whole numbers, we can write this. Quadrilaterals, we can write this collection. Means these are all well defined. So far whatever we have discussed, these are all well defined collection of either objects or ideas or elements. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, rectangle, rhombus, these are all called, we can call them as objects. Or ideas or elements. So these are all collections of well-defined objects, ideas, elements. So a well-defined collection of objects or idea is known as a set. Set. Okay. This well-defined collection is considered as a set. So set theory is comparatively new concept in mathematics. So in earlier days, there was no theory relating to sets. It was a newly developed concept, and it was developed by George Cantor, who lived between 1845 and 1918. So sets theory was developed by George Cantor. Okay. Next. So well-defined sets. Well-defined sets. So what do we mean when we say that a set is well-defined collection of objects? So here well-defined means, when we can say it is well-defined means, all the objects in the set should have common feature or common property. If we have 10 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 10. If we have 10 objects in the set, if the 10 objects, if they have common feature, common property, then we can say that this collection is well defined. This collection is well defined. 1 minute, children. This collection is well defined. Or it should be possible to decide whether any given object belongs to the set or not. If we have out of 10, if we take any other element like 11th element minus 1 or 12th element 13, we should be in a position that we can decide whether this new object belongs to this set or not. Belongs to this set or not. If we are in such a position, then this collection can be considered as well defined. So suppose this is a natural number set 1 to 10, first 10 natural numbers, first 10 natural numbers. Okay. Now if we take minus 1, well, minus 1 belongs to first 10 natural number set. No, minus 1 is not an natural number. So obviously no. Like that, we should be in a position to tell whether it belongs to the given set or not. So any collection, if it follows these two conditions, we can tell that it is a well defined. It is a well defined. Suppose the collection of tall students in your class. The collection of tall students in your class. So we have to check whether it is well defined statement or not. So what is the difficulty in this statement? So who is tall is not clear in this statement, because suppose we have Richa. We have a student called Richa. For her, those who are taller than Richa, she feels that these 4 members are taller than her. So that's why tall students in the class 4, but or 5. She thought that according to Richa, she thought that 5 students are taller than her. So she gives the answer as 5. But Yashodhara, who is still smaller than Richa, she thought that 10 students are taller than her. Or Ganapati, one more boy, he thought that tall means every student whose height is more than 5 feet, he thought that he is tall. Then his set will be 3 students only. So here Richa, she is telling 5 students. Yashodhara is telling 10 students. And Ganapati is telling 3 students. Means different students are having different collections for the same question. They are giving different collections for the same question. Okay, so this collection is not well defined. This collection is not well defined. Which collection? Tall students in your class. Tall students in your class is not well defined collection. Or if the statement is like this, the collection of students in your class who are taller than 5 feet 6 inches. So there we are having we know the exact value of 5.6 inches. Those who are taller than or greater than 5.6 inches, they are taller. So now Richa, Yashodhara, Ganapati, if they find answers for this statement, they will have same answer. They will have same answer. So in this way, we can say whether a collection is well defined or not. So next. So naming of sets and elements of a set. So here, so naming of sets and elements of a set. So we usually denote uppercase letters like A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Uppercase letters for denoting the sets. Set of all natural numbers, capital N. All integers, capital Z. All rational numbers, capital Q. All real numbers, capital R. Like that, capital letters. Like that, we make use of capital alphabets. Capital alphabets. Alphabets or uppercase letters to denote the names of sets, not elements here. Name of the set, capital N. It is a natural number set whose value is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay. So this all set of all natural numbers, set of integers, set of rational numbers, set of real numbers. These 4 statements are well-defined collections. Well-defined collections. Because if we have any element, suppose -1 does not belongs to natural numbers. Like that we can tell. So they are well-defined sets. Suppose we have a set which tells all days in a week. All days in a week whose name begins with T. Begins with capital T. All days in a week, that day name should begin with T. Then, so we can know that Tuesday, Thursday and Thursday, 2 are there, whose name beginning with T. So these 2 will be part of the set. But Monday is not. So okay, Tuesday and Thursday, these 2 are the elements of all days in a week starting with T. So all days in a week, let us say this all days in a week set collection name is capital X. So then what we can write in the set? Tuesday, Thursday. Only 2 we have to write, because they have mentioned all days in a week whose name begins with T. So that's why these 2 only we have to consider. So these 2 will be considered as elements of this set. Elements of this set. Okay. So next, we know that N stands for all natural numbers. So then 1 will be the element of N, 2 will be the element of N, 3 will be the element of N, and so on. But 0 is not the element of set N. 0 is not the element of set N. Suppose set B, we have defined a set B of quadrilaterals. In the set, what we can write? Square we can write, rectangle we can write, rhombus we can write, parallelogram. These are all the elements of set quadrilaterals or elements of B. Suppose if they give, can we put triangle trapezium into the B, or cone? Cone, trapezium, triangle. Triangle, trapezium, cone. Triangle, trapezium, cone in set B. Set B. So triangle, we cannot. It is not a quadrilateral. Trapezium, we can. It's a quadrilateral. Cone, we cannot. It is not a quadrilateral. Okay. So we can say that object belonging to set. Object belonging to set is known as, it's a member of the set, or it's an element of the set. If it is a member, then we use the symbol belongs to, like E, round E. Round E we have to write. This stands for belongs to. Means that element is a member of, that element belongs to set. So 1 belongs to n. Here they have given 1 belongs to n. Means 1 is an element in set n. 0 does not belongs to. Means we have to write belongs to symbol and strike off. 0 does not belongs to n. So these are the symbolic representations of belongs to, does not belongs to. Okay. So next, let's learn about various ways in which we can write sets. Various ways in which we can write sets. Suppose we have set of all vowel letters in English alphabet. So we have set V. We have a set V which is defined like that. All vowels in English alphabets. All vowels in English alphabets. Like this, a set V is there. What may be the elements of this set? A, comma E, comma I, comma O, comma U. Means the elements should be separated by comma. Comma. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So this is one form. In this way we can write. In this way we can write. Means we can list down all the elements between chain or curly brackets. With the help of comma, we can separate them. So this is called roster form. Roster form of writing the sets. V equal to A, E, I, O, U. It is called roster form of writing the sets. So in roster form, all elements of sets are written separated by commas within curly brackets or chain brackets. Curly brackets or chain brackets. Now we have another representation. So V equal to flower brackets X such that, means we have an element X such that X is a vowel letter in English alphabets. Like this. X such that, X nature, if we are going to write, so then this is the second form. Or X such that, we can use colon, or we can use slash, which can be read as such that. Means there is an element X in the set V such that its nature we have to describe. So this is the second form. It is called set builder form. Set builder form means we have built the set according to this definition. Set builder form. So next. So this way of writing a set is known as set builder form. Here we use the symbol X, or any other symbol YZ we can use for the element of set. Instead of writing all the elements, we will take one symbol common symbol for all the elements. Common symbol for all elements. This is followed by colon or vertical line, after which we write the characteristic property possessed by the elements of the set. This whole is enclosed in curly brackets. In curly brackets, we will take, suppose here, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So C equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 is there. So all 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 all are prime numbers. Less than 13. Less than 13. Because after 11, next prime number is 13. So how can we write? This is the roster form. How can we write in set builder form? We have a set C, which is equals to, in C set, there is an element X such that, X is a prime number. X is a prime number. X is a prime number less than 13. Like this. First we will write, we will take one common element for all elements, which is X. Next we will keep colon. Next we will keep characteristic of that X. All whole will be enclosed in flower brackets. Or we can take X, vertical line X is a prime number. Like that also we can write. So we can represent sets in two forms. One is a roster form. Second one is set builder form. Roster form and set builder form. Okay. Next. So here, write the following in roster and set builder forms. Set of all natural numbers which divide 42. Set of all natural numbers which are less than 10. So we have to write in two forms. So let here, let B be the set of all natural numbers which divide 42. Then how we can write? How can we write that set in roster form? So 1, we can divide 42 with 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. This is the roster form. Set builder form means instead of all elements, we will take X such that, what is X? X is a natural number which divides 42. Set builder form. So next, all natural numbers less than 10. Let's name this statement as A set. So then, less than 10. Natural numbers means starting from 1. Less than 10 means up to 9. This is roster form. Set builder form, X such that X is a natural number less than 10. Set builder form. Okay. Next. Next. So in roster form, the order in which elements are listed is immaterial. So we can write in any order. So 1, 3, 7, 21. Again here we can do write. Instead of writing like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 21, 42 means all factors of 42. We can write this in this order 1, 3, 7, 6, 2, 21, 4, 21, 4, 42. We can write in any order. We can write in any order. Or suppose if we have a word called school, SCHOOL. Now set of letters forming the word school. Now what is the set here? We have a set X which tells set of letters used to form the word school. So which letters are used in formation of school word? SCHO repeated 2 times, but we used O, L. SCHOOL. L, flower brackets, SCHOL. We can write like this. If we write SCHOOL, so then this will be wrong. Because in set, while writing the set, it can be immaterial. We can write in any order, but no element to be repeated. No element to be repeated. So this is the correct answer, but this will be the wrong answer because element is getting repeated here. Element is getting repeated here. Next, example 2. Write set B. Write the set B x such that x is a natural number and x square less than 40. Here we have two conditions. One is x is a natural number, that is one condition. X square less than 40, second condition. Here the element x should satisfy both the conditions. It should satisfy both the conditions. And we have to write this in roster form. So x square means we can take 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square. We can take, if we observe these values, 1 square 1, 2 square 9, 4, 3 square 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the natural numbers whose squares are less than 40. Whose squares are less than 40. Here the set is, what is the answer here? Is it 149, 16, 25, 36? Is it the answer? No, this is not the answer. Because what they are asking, x is a natural number whose square is less than 40. So here 1 is a natural number whose square is 1, less than 40. 2 is a natural number, 2 square is 4, less than 40. 3 is a natural number, 3 square is 9, which is less than 40. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the right answer. Okay. So next, exercise. So now whatever we have learnt what is a set, what is element, what is roster form, what is set builder form, belongs to, does not belongs to symbols. Based on that, we have one exercise here. Let's discuss about this exercise. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Justify your answer. The collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. So with J, what will come? January, June, July. So we can write X set. So January, after February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we can write the collection of all months. All months means we should not write 12 months. All months, they have given another condition. All months of a year beginning with the letter J, they have given. So only 3 will come: January, June, July. Next. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. They are asking the names of 10 most talented writers. So, or 10 most film directors. For somebody they will say Trivikram is the most talented director. Somebody they may say Sukumar is the most talented director. Or somebody they may say RGV is the most talented director. It depends. Here most talented writer means, or most talented director means, it depends on, it changes from person to person. So this second one is not well defined set. First one correct, but second one not. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Somebody they may say Rohit. Somebody they may say Kohli. Or most of them say Dhoni. Or olden days people they may say Sachin. Like that, the combination, the collection changes from person to person. This is also not correct answer. Collection of all boys in your class means well defined. So we have to consider all the boys. They may be tall, they may be short, they may be fair, they may be black, they may be wearing uniform. No matters, because they have mentioned all boys. It's a well defined collection. The collection of all even integers, it is also well defined. We can write all integers which are even numbers, which are divisible by 2. It is also well defined. Next. So here A equals to 0246, B equal to 357, C equal to PQR. Then fill appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to. This is round E. Round E stands for belongs to. Round E after strike off. This stands for does not belongs to. Does not belongs to. Okay. Now 0 belongs to 0 A. 0 is in A. Belongs to. 3. 3 is in not in C. Does not belongs to. 4. 4 is in not in B. Does not belongs to. 8. 8 is not in A. Does not belongs to. P. P is in C. Belongs to. 7. 7 is in B. Belongs to. Okay. Next. So express the following. Express the following statements using symbols. X does not belongs to A. X does not belongs to A. D is an element of set B. So D is, it is an element in the set of B. So D belongs to B. 1 belongs to set of natural numbers N. So 1 belongs to N. 8 does not belongs to set of prime numbers P. So 8 does not belongs to P. Like that, with the help of symbols we can write. Next. State whether the following statements are true or false. True or false we have to tell. 5 does not belongs to prime numbers. Wrong, because 5 belongs to prime numbers. 5 is divisible by 1 and 5, not by any other number. So given statement is false. So S equal to 567 given implies 8 belongs to S. False, because 8 is not in S. Minus 5 does not belongs to whole numbers, where W is a whole numbers. True, because whole number starts from 0. Whole number starts from 0. Negative integers never belongs to whole numbers. Correct statement. 8 by 11 belongs to integers, where belongs to Z, where Z integers. Integers means negative numbers, 0, positive numbers, not fractions. So, but they have given fractions belongs to integers. So false. It is a false statement. Next. So which of the following sets is in roster form? Roster form. Sorry. Write the following sets in roster form. So X such that X is a natural number less than 6. So in B set, X is a natural number less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we can write. Next C set. X such that X is a 2-digit number two-digit natural number such that sum of its digits is 8. Means we have to write two-digit number whose sum is 8. 1 7, 1 plus 7 8, 2 6, 3 5, 4 4, 5 3, 6 2, 7 1. So here two-digit natural number they have told. So we can write 80 also, because 80 also a natural number. 80 also a natural number. If they give, we have to take only natural numbers, then 80 will not come. 80 will not come. They have not given, so they have given x is a natural number. So 17 is a natural number, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71. 80 is also a natural number whose sum is 8. Sum of two digits is 8, but 08 we cannot write, because 08 stands for 8, which is not a two-digit number. Next, D set. X is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Which is a divisor of 60. Divisor of 60 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With 7 we cannot, 12 after 15, 15 after 20, 20 after 30, 60. Like that we can write all divisors of 60. Next, E set. Set of all letters in the word better. Set of all letters in the word better. So B is coming, comma, E is coming, comma, T is coming. Already T we have written repeated. We won't write. E repeated. We won't write. R means 4 different letters are there. B, E, T, R. 4 different letters are there. Next. So write the following in set builder form. 3, 6, 9, 12 means here x is a multiple of 3 less than 13. So here multiples of 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 times 6, 3 3 times 9, 3 4 times 12. All are multiples of 3's. So x is a multiple of 3 less than 13. So what is this? 2, 4, 8, 6, 16, 32, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 6. Means, so x is in power of 2x. X is in power of 2x, where x is less than, 2 power 5. X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means less than 6. X is a natural number less than 6. What about this one? 5. 5 power 1, 25. 5 square, 5 cube, 5 power 4. X is in power of 5. Power of power of 5. Power of 5, like 5 power x, where x belongs to natural number and x is less than 5. Here two conditions we have to write. X less than x belongs to natural number, x is less than 5. So 1, 4, 9, 25, 100. 1 means 1 square, 4 means 2 square, 9 means 3 square, 25 means 5 square. Here one more is missing, 16 is missing. 16 is missing. We can write 4 square. So then x is a, here we have element x such that x is a square of natural number. Up to 100 we have, up to 10 square we have, means not greater than 10 or less than or equal to 10. X is a square of natural number which is not greater than 10 or less than or equal to 10. Like that we can write. So next, in roster form, we have to write in roster form. X is a natural number greater than 50, less than 100. Greater than 50 means 51, 52, 53, up to less than 100, 99 we can write. Now B set. X is an integer, x square equal to 4. X square 4, we can write minus 2 whole square 4, plus 2 whole square 4. Only 2 elements. Next, another question. Letter in the word low L. L is there, O is there, Y is there, A is there. L repeated, we won't write. L repeated, we won't write. Next, 8th question. So match the roster form with set builder form. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. So all our natural numbers are there. All are divisors of 6. So C option. Natural number, divisor of 6. 2, 3. Prime numbers, divisor of 6. Prime numbers, divisor of 6. Math, MATHEICS. Letter in the words, mathematics. Letter in the word, mathematics. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers, less than 10. Odd numbers less than, odd natural numbers less than 10. Like that we can match. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you. Have a good day.